I'm Howard Williams. I'm the Senior Vice President of Sustainability and Acquisitions for Construciton Specialities. We're a small multinational, and we're a manufacturer of architectural building products. The case example is a pilot study that was done by an economics group as well as supported by university. And what it sought to look at were assessing the benefits of optimizing and certifying a product. And the value of that is that it brings together a business case where there aren't a lot of business cases currently available on this work in the A&D community because it's so relatively new. And the importance of that business case is, first of all, that it's credible, and then second of all, that it's informative. And from our standpoint, as we looked at the results of our product, it was reinforcing that doing this work has a positive outcome. And that's why I think it's really important for it to be a part of a conversation where the USGBC is now transitioning from transparency and building toward optimization and building then toward market transformation. And having this case study was critically important. I think there are at least two challenges. There could be 20, but there seem to be two preliminarily. One challenge is an understanding of what are the near goals of transparency to optimization to transformation. None of the three are necessarily stopping points. This is a relay race. Transparency runs alongside of optimization during the handoff. Optimization runs alongside of market transformation during the handoff. So there are times when they're side by side, but in all instances, it's a team approach and it's not a sprint. It's a relay race, and the handoffs need to happen, and we can't necessarily stop. If we stop, literally the baton drops. The other instance is that the A&D community is asking this of the manufacturing community. The manufacturing community is going to step out and make investments. And if the A&D community does not support that investment, then this is simply going to stall the work, and at a time when we could be accelerating. Every building we build without these aspects is a building that isn't all that it could be. When you consider that 90% of our time's inside of a building, let's get it right. Let's get it right. I think with what the USGBC is doing on materials, certainly last year at Greenbuild, that really opened. Even preceding that, the harmonization work between the different evaluation processes for materials. But at Greenbuild, it's the conversation, because it allows people to bring it into a context and a framework. And because the conversation is diverse among many different voices, then ultimately we have to believe that some voices are more attractive to the listener than others because of where that person may be or what they're really looking to hear. So having multiple voices, multiple times, it's just, we need to hear it over and over. And it needs to be in that context of, oh my goodness, this really can change human lives. This really can make a change. And this is how we can do it. Having the context and the means to act on that context and turn things in a positive way, I think are some of the very most important parts. Just, I don't want to oversimplify it. It's just that basically for me, the fact that the conversation took place and that there's several others going on around it.